Today, cities are spending vast resources on gathering all the data they need to make their cities safe, clean, modern, green, and efficient, while providing citizens with quality services and keeping the standard of living high. But this requires monitoring what's going on in the city in real time and collecting huge amounts of information every day. Imagine a set of sensors traveling around the city, continuously observing, collecting, and transmitting data. What if you could simply install a small device in a city vehicle fleet that could make this happen? Now you can. The Mobileye 8 Connect can be mounted on the windshield of any vehicle on the road. Not only does it provide life-saving warnings to the driver, it also silently observes and collects critical and actionable data for your city. With expected applications like traffic light and sign identification, infrastructure deficiency and accident hotspot detection, and even free parking space recognition, Mobileye 8 Connect can be a key element in making your city safer and smarter. Requiring only a single camera sensor and Mobileye's IQ chip to gather and process the data, which is then sent to the cloud and back to you for action, this solution is among the most cost-effective on the market. And so as not to overload you with information, the dashboard will report information in a clear, concise, and decision-supporting manner. Without having to purchase new vehicles or elaborate supercomputers, but using only this simple retrofit solution, Mobileye 8 Connect can help you run your city much more efficiently. What are you waiting for?